Welcome, here I've got Denver device and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video on it. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button here from the left at the bottom. And as you can see, it gives us access to advanced camera settings. We have the general settings, photo settings and a video settings. So of course now let's go to the video settings here from the right. And as you can see, at the first position here we have the electronic image stabilization. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.